Okay, so a question came in. I bought several hanging baskets. The flowers are doing great, but I see on the top of the soil what looks like round egg-shaped things that are slit open. Do I have some bugs that have hatched? What do I need to do?
Those are not eggs. Those are fertilizer pellets or beads, whatever capsules, that the manufacturer or the garden center applies in their time release, and after they get water on them, and they break open and they feed your plants. So, not a bug. Good observation. Nothing to worry about. Keep the hydration on the plants because it's going to get warm, and typically most people will get hanging baskets, either purchase them for themselves or for a gift, and a week later they're dead because you forgot to water them.
Right.
If you want to go with dripworks.com, they have a number of irrigation systems for that type of application so you can keep your flowers and your hanging baskets healthy all season long. Also, hanging baskets do not have to be just flowers. You can grow like Tiny Tim tomatoes. You can grow other small vegetables. Leaf lettuce is another one that you can grow in it.